Pakistan visa-free countries. It is possible to remain just for tourist purpose these Pakistan visa-free states without a visa. Green passport holders will need to only take reunite ticket, valid passport, hotel booking, and adequate Arab to pay through their stay. Latest list of visa-free countries for Pakistan. Finally, listed below are visa-free countries for Pakistani passport in 2021. You may call all these countries as Pakistan visa-free countries. Commonwealth of Dominica, Cook Island, Haiti, Micronesia, Montserrat, Niue, Saint Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago, Vanuatu. Free visa of Commonwealth of Dominica. Dominican's legislation allows Pakistani citizens as being an associated of this Commonwealth to stay up to half a year without a visa. The nation's market isn't too stable and the purchasing capacity of these taxpayers is relatively low. But its beaches and natural beauty make this particular visa-free state far more attractive for tourism. Free visa of Cook Island. Cook Island is too at the set of Pakistan visa-free nations. It's a low-lying area comprising of 1 to 5 islands related to New Zealand. New Zealand continues to be accountable for its more fundamental problems like foreign and defense policy. It supplies a month visa-free stay to Pakistani nationals for tourism functions. That stay is expandable up to 30 days longer. Free visa of Haiti. Haiti may be the third party from the listing of visa-free states for Pakistan. Together with 20,750 square kilometers of a broad area, it's an estimated 10.8 million people. Its official language is French, and also the money has been Haitian god. Haiti is among the most visited holiday destinations around the environment. Pakistani passport holders may travel and remain in Haiti with no visa for 3 months. Immigration authorities bill $10 as airport interest. Free visa of Micronesia. The fourth largest destination in Micronesia is the latest collection of most Pakistani passport visa-free states. The entire region of Micronesia has been 702 square kilometers and the whole population was 104,937 in 2016. Pakistanis can stay up to a month with no visa in Micronesia. 60 days expansion in stay can be afforded. Death tax for unique countries is appropriate as under. Free visa of Montserrat. Montserrat can be island in the West Indies and also is a British overseas category. It's a self-governing island below the influence of Britain. Montserrat allows visa-free entrance to virtually all states including Pakistan. Please see the site of Montserrat. Free visa of Niue. It's likewise part of visa-free states for Pakistan. Bona fide tourism can remain in Niue for up to 30 days without a visa. They are also able to receive an expansion. The Niue immigration branch charges $80 because of the death tax against every tourist. You can hit Niue through New Zealand. To learn more, you may stop by the Niue Standard Legislation site. Free visa of Vincent. Saint Vincent is a sovereign country from the Lesser Antilles island arc containing the most crucial island, Saint Vincent and a string of islands. It's just really a country of 1.1 million people whose official language is currently Vincentian Creole. Amazing beaches and a helpful setting is their individuality. People all over the globe visit this particular island. It's possible to stay for 30 days. Free visa of Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago reached number 8 at the most recent set of visa-free states for Pakistan 2021. It's just a dual-island Caribbean state nearby Venezuela, with identifying Creole customs and restaurants. Beautiful beaches along with also the main rich forest reserve have made this island famous on earth. It is possible to stay around 1 month in Trinidad with no visa to a Pakistani passport. This remain is extendable if there is an acceptable motive. Free visa of Vanuatu. Vanuatu is one of those visa-free states for Pakistan at which it is possible to stay at least a month with no visa. It's just really a South Pacific Ocean state composed of 80 islands. It stretches a region of 1,300 square kilometers. Vanuatu has an extended rainy season, together with significant rain nearly every month. Tourists decide to go to this tranquil island over and over. Go to the official internet site of Vanuatu for additional information. Visa on arrival. Whenever you need a visa, this always depends upon the place you want to go. If your home state has a visa contract and the country where you mean to travel, you likely won't have to fill in an application to get a visa ahead. But in case your residence country will not own a visa contract together with your planned destination, you have to try to qualify to get a visa before traveling. Fatigue of visa. The most peculiar portion of arranging a visit ahead can be your anxiety about moving during the long-term visa procedure. The long-term fright of standing in long queues for hours and paying for a hefty commission to the traveling representatives to finish the incidents is very upsetting. This to get a part of the paper identified as the visa that will permit you to input your preferred vacation spot is quite tense. A visa is a formal record that enables the bearer to enter an overseas nation lawfully. On-arrival visa for Pakistanis. How an on-arrival visa works? We can express that the Pakistan passport visa-free countries is full 32. Which means that you won't need to make an application to get a visa for the entrance. Consider that you may want visa to see certain nations and that the length of stay may vary from 1 month to 60, 90 and maybe 180 days. Since Pakistan has more accessibility than those nations, it's much far better to ensure you never need a paper visa while planning your trip. Having ease of an on-arrival visa. You also need to realize that Pakistani passport holders may undergo a schedule identified as a visa on arrival. By employing this application, Pakistanis have to own a visa to go into the location nation. Nevertheless, they could secure this visa on arrival. To put it differently, the candidate doesn't have to experience the program progress earlier, as Pakistani taxpayers will get the visa on arrival at the airport terminal in the country. That may be effective because this requires less paperwork and preparation. Turn your weak passport into a strong passport with this visa. The visa on arrival can be just a stamp on the traveler's passport. It works as official consent to go into the country for a particular period. Passengers must hold their statements on arrival and passport in their person if these records have to be verified by governments from the nations. At least 22 countries call for a visa on arrival when you have got a passport. Filling a passport with a visa and stamps of these countries will make your passport strong.